Hi guys, this is Brian from brianalcott.com. Welcome to my InstaCommissions review. This launches on the 19th of October at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. I'm here inside the members area. In a few minutes I'm going to give you a run through and show you what's inside here. But just to summarise, so what is InstaCommissions all about? Well, this is an internet marketing program that combines software with incredible strategy and resources. And this one is different from any other, and that all you need to do is inject the sub-niche keywords, tags and content for amazing results. The software finds videos within certain parameters, and then you can utilize the swipes, videos, comments and keywords to drive traffic from multiple traffic sources. This is a high quality product from Jamie Lewis and David Kirby, two very experienced super affiliates, and this has been produced for newbies and intermediates alike to get the quickest results possible. So if this is something that's going to interest you, if you stick with me to the end of this video, I've put together some custom bonuses which you can get by clicking on the first link in the description below this video, bringing you to my bonus page here. And if you scroll down and click on any of the big orange buttons on the page, that will take you to the sales page, this page here. And there's Jamie Lewis relaxing in his hammock. And click on the orange button on that sales page and pick up InstaCommissions in order to get my free bonuses. Quality bonuses, as I say, by getting to my bonus page, first link in the description below this video. And I'm going to give you these quality bonuses all free of charge just by picking up the front end of InstaCommissions for only $19.95. So these bonuses have been specially made by John O. Armstrong, and I'm working with John O, and he's given me these bonuses to give to you free of charge. Quality bonuses, they're all his high quality products. And so I've done a special arrangement with John O, and you're not going to get these from anybody else. So bonus number one is Eclipse, which is one of John O's best selling products. Enables you to put your links in front of the gurus, YouTube links, in order to make sales and use their traffic. But this one you're going to have to get this within the first 24 hours, otherwise it's going to expire, and I obviously don't want you to miss out on that one. So you need to get yourself back here by the 20th of October, 10 AM Eastern Standard Time, to make sure you don't miss out on that one. So bonus number two is the hack for 2 powerful traffic sources for InstaCommissions. Obviously John O's a super affiliate and he knows all the resources for traffics, and obviously he's going to show you what they are in that bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is a hack for 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. Obviously when you're working with InstaCommissions, you're going to be emailing, you're going to be building a list, so you need to know how to market to that list, and that'll show you there with bonus number 3. Bonus number 4 for InstaCommissions is access to $0 to $100 in 24 hours. Another high quality affiliate marketing training product from John O. So that's free of charge again. And bonus number 5, all the vendor bonuses, you're not going to miss out on any of those by buying through my link today. And that's the first link in the description below this YouTube video. Brings you to my bonus page, so you can scroll down and click on any of the orange buttons, get to the sales page, make your purchase, and then to get those bonuses delivered instantly to you, just click on the blue button on the receipt page, and that will instantly deliver all these quality bonuses to you free of charge just by picking up the front end of InstaCommissions for $19.95 only. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. I won't spend too much time on this, you can do this at your leisure. So InstaCommissions, use our traffic, we've got too much of it. So Jamie's releasing his personal autopilot income generator that converts 67% of traffic into big 3-figure commissions. And this is for use by a limited group of people. So for the first time in history, siphon our targeted traffic, make sales on autopilot, brand new for October 2020, perfect for newbies, 0 technical skills needed, no tutorials or learning needed, and to beat it all, you've got a 365-day guarantee. Get the freedom you always wanted, and don't get paid, or will pay you $1,000. So there's some quite bold claims there. Well, obviously Jamie always over delivers. Here's Jamie. So as I say, have a look, there's income proof on here. Have a look at this sales page in your own time. So I want to show you inside the members area now. So once you've made your purchase, you'll be taken inside the dashboard. You've got a welcome video from Jamie, and you've got 3 traffic sources that are used here. The hot marketplace, hot expired domains, and hot traffic jacker. So these are the 3 traffic sources that you're going to be shown how to use, and you've got video tutorials, campaigns that you can use. So everything's done for you. And then you've got a traffic suite. So the campaigns are in these different niches. Then your traffic suite there for showing you how to get traffic from various sources. Then you've got a graphics editor, which is very easy to work with, very similar to Canva. Once it opens, it will load up in a minute, and that'll show you exactly how you can build your pages, and you can build all your graphics very easily there with the tutorial videos. Then you've got article writer, so it's going to respin articles for you for content, and then it gives you custom offers as well. Then there's some upgrades, which I'll show you what the upgrades are now. So you've got the front end, as I say, you're going to get the bonuses that I've just shown you, all free of charge for $19.95, just buying the front end today. Upsell number 1 is InstaCommissions VIP done for you. So that's $47 with a downsell of $27. Upsell number 2 is InstaCommissions Adoption, $67 with a downsell of $47. So you get extra resources, accessibility to, and license to use InstaCommissions as your own personal agency. Upsell number 3, InstaCommissions Nurse, $97 with a downsell of $67. You get unlimited attendance to the webinar training for life, priority service and attention in the webinars. Webinars have been performed by Jamie weekly since 2011. Upsell number 4, InstaCommissions Use Ours, $197 with a downsell of $97. Ethically jack our traffic from your awesome launches. User can add their tracking pixel to our sales pages. Upsell number 5, InstaCommissions Resell, $167 with a downsell of $97. Resell InstaCommissions as your own product and be a vendor. So you're going to get, you don't need to buy those upsells to get my bonuses today. Just buy the front end for $19.95 and you get these bonuses instantly delivered. So that concludes my review of InstaCommissions. I hope you've enjoyed it today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks, bye.